Welcome back. Vivo Saima 2017 powered by Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash and Bosch Washing Machine. We're back live and we have two very young, hot, handsome and charming gentlemen here with us, and we're live on Facebook and we have all our followers watching, the two of you. And you know, Facebook is all about giving friend requests, right? And the whole point behind these friend requests is that one description. So I'm going to give you guys a task in the beginning. So you have to tell me what would, you know, necessarily be in his description box, and you would have to do the same for him. Sure. So we'll begin with you. What would you say? What would you think will be his friend request profile page?
You want to describe the
yeah,
photo,
we'll
the
start
cover
with the
page?
name, everything.
Okay, I think his cover photo would be of him with the end credits or the title of a script.
Ah.
And his photo would be like with his wife like this.
See, he included your wife. That's a good thing.
Oh my.
Okay, so.
And I think his first status would be, I think his description would be studied engineering dropout, proud engineering dropout.
I think that's one of the best qualifications these days.
I know, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And bio would be artist.
Artist.
Dreamer.
Dreamer. Wow. Okay. So he gave you all good points.
Right.
So now I think you have to return the favor.
Yeah, so his cover photo would be with his parents. I think he adores them a lot.
That's true.
And his profile picture would be with a lot of his girlfriends, many girlfriends.
Lot. I think that's the point we have to note here, the many and the lot.
So in his bio it would be author of Nachaun and Zasta from his film The Dialogue.
Yes.
And his status would be any auditions?
That's lovely. But we're here in Abu Dhabi for Vivo Saima 2017. So for the first time in a very new location. So how do you feel about being here in Abu Dhabi?
We are living a dream, we both of us, and I wish we had a little more people from our team.
Yeah.
We would have more reasons to celebrate, but we miss them dearly. And also, yeah, it's all like flashy, dreamy. So having fun.
We are in the dream city, of course. And what would you like to say about being in Abu Dhabi?
I think it's like a home away from home because it feels a lot like Hyderabad. We've met a lot of people from there, and it's a celebration of cinema, and we're glad to be in the middle of it. And definitely, as Darshi said, it's a dream come true.
Yes. Thank you so much. And both of you are dressed for the dream, and hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. See you. And now we have a princess, I must say. Honestly, Hemuja, you're looking lovely. So tell us about your outfit. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing from Gangon brand. This is an Indo-Western outfit and I just love it.
Yeah, we love it too. So we're live on Facebook and your fans are watching it. So if you would like to say something to your fans.
Yes. I'm so glad to be here again. Saima is always fun and exciting to attend. It's so grand and lively. And I'm so excited to watch the performance tonight.
Okay, and I have a couple of questions to you because you've worked with a lot of stars. So we would like to know, who is that one star who plays a lot of pranks on the set and keeps pranking everybody? Are there too many to pick one?
No. Can you please give me options?
I have to give you options.
Yes.
No, you can pick anybody here. Come on.
Maybe Bahubali?
Prabhas. Okay,
Yes.
so he plays a lot of pranks.
Yes.
And then we're going to... Who do you think is the most accommodative of their fans? Like, who always goes up to them and says, okay, I'll take selfies with my fans. I will never throw a lot of attitude. Who do you think is like that?
Punit Rajkumar?
Yeah?
Yes.
He's very sweet. I think the whole family is,
Yes.
no? They're all very sweet. Okay. And who do you think is the most hit on by like their fans? Who gets hit on a lot?
Dunya Vijay.
Yeah? I think it's going to be you here today because the moment you walked into the carpet, your fans have been hooting and they haven't stopped. I really think they would love to spend a lot more time with you. So if you can just say a quick bye to our Facebook fans and you can take our leave. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Wait for Saima. It's gonna be so interesting. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. As she mentioned, Saima truly is very, very, very interesting, ladies and gentlemen. This year in Abu Dhabi, it's bigger and it's better. And this red carpet, I am telling you, it's like all the stars have just jumped from the sky and have landed on this red carpet because that's how this is glowing. And we have a lot more celebrities coming in and I'm going to catch them and get them to answer all your questions. So do keep commenting and do keep watching.